Welcome to Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram, school with a difference. Making students socially relevant and an asset to the world, that's what the aim of education should be. We at Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram realize this and believe that combining education with creativity leads to better results and at the same time drives children to become resourceful in the future. In our saga of imparting knowledge that's nearing 40 decades, our visionary leader, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda's doctrine of instilling values in children along with propagating knowledge has aided us tremendously. We offer our kids a never-before experienced learning experience coupled with life skills aimed at enhancing their emotional, intellectual, and physical well-being. Apart from providing high-quality infrastructure with complete amenities, eminent teaching system and support system, and more importantly, a very friendly and feel-at-home atmosphere, the incorporation of the Chinmaya Vision program envisaged by Gurudev for the holistic development of students makes our school the perfect destination for your child's journey to success. Even amidst the pandemic, which created and is still creating a lot of fluctuations in the education system, we didn't falter even once and moved on the virtual way, making best use of the resources we had. Combined with the laborious efforts taken by our teachers and the support from students and parents. Keep smiling. That's a motto. With Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram, you can guarantee your child quality learning experience. On to some feedback from our parents.
Hari Om. I am Lakshmi, mother of Arpita, studying in LKG rows of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram. When thought about schooling my child, we didn't choose any other than Chinmaya, as I was former student of this Vidyalaya and I am sure about the positive learning environment which gives each child an opportunity to develop in the spiritual, cultural, moral and social aspects of life. Even in this pandemic, the school supported the children in the best possible way by having regular online classes, engaging children with regular activities and individual assessments. Teachers were very supportive and they took a great effort to make good rapport with the students. Moreover, the children were encouraged to participate in the kids' online festivals, spiritual programs like Madhur Puja, and also they were informed regarding the purpose of each and every festivals and celebrations. I take this opportunity to thank the principal and teachers of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram for your love and care to our children. Hari Om.
Hari Om, teacher.
Hari Om, teacher. I would like to share my experience as a parent of a student studying in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram. My daughter, she is studying in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnumpuram in LKG class. In this difficult situation of COVID pandemic, as a parent, we had a lot of confusions and worries about how the online classes will be, which is not at all familiar to us, especially for LKG students. He or she needs a special attention and care from the teachers. To our surprise, the classes were well organized and managed by a bundle of teachers. Ranju teacher and Anjana teacher, they are both looking care of LKG junior Rose class. They both are so instrumental in monitoring, not only guiding through the academic classes, but also they were making the children and giving understanding the children the more importance of moral values and how to be spiritual. I am a working mother and having a lot of difficulties in respect of time management and time class timing and everything. The teachers were so very cooperative, and they were even ready to stretch and stretch their classes and stretch their time even in holidays and even after working hours. They are ready to build a good rapport with the children, even in Sundays, even in Saturdays, and even in all working and holidays. I don't know how to thank each and everyone. We are really thanking you from the bottom of our heart, Renju teacher and Anjana teacher, principal ma'am, and other teachers who are behind the scene, behind the screen, helping my child and molding my child even in these difficult situations. Thanking you. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye. Thank you.
Hari Om. I am Manju Vijayan, mother of Arush Sharma, who is studying in LKG Junior Rose in Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Kunumburam. Like all other parents, the last academic year of online education was very much challenging for us too, since we being working parents and since our kid was never been to school or met the teachers before. But with the great support and guidance given by the teachers, Renju teacher, Anjali teacher, other teachers, everything turned out smoothly for us gradually. The conduct of online class by the school, rather than simply sending recorded videos, have helped a lot to create a school-like ambience in the home itself. And we are very much thankful to the school management for arranging the classes at a perfect time in the morning, so that good habits could be developed in our kid, like getting up early in the morning, finishing off his morning activities well before the school time. The reason why we chose Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunumburam is that I and my brother did our schooling till 10th grade in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Artugar. And from our own personal experience, we have known that apart from academics, this school imparts value-based education to the children right from the early years, based on Swami Chinmayanandaji's thoughts and principles, and which help to develop good qualities in children, like respecting elders, respecting teachers, judgment of right versus wrong, and many other. Finally, praying that this era of pandemic may end soon, and may our kids get a chance to enjoy the real school life as early as possible. But even if school does not reopen, we are now confident that the next academic year also will be dealt more smoothly by the school management and teachers, and we are also preparing ourselves for being part of it. Thank you.
Hari Om. My name is Sunita. My two children are studying in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunumburam. The elder one, named Chandrasekhar, has completed his 4th standard, and the younger one, named Annapurani, has completed her LKG. She got the golden opportunity to become a part of the first preschool batch in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunumburam, and that gave her an idea about what a school is, how to mingle with the teachers, friends, and that too gave her a good routine. And in that tender age of 3 itself, she could recite some prayers, sing beautiful bhajans, and we were very happy because we chose Chinmaya Vidyalaya as it was guided by Swami Chinmayananda's vision. And so the last year, due to the pandemic, though the classes have been online classes, she knows what is a school, what about teachers and all. And also here I need to mention a special thanks to Srimati Renju teacher and Srimati Anjana teacher, who had put all their efforts to make the LKG classes very interesting, and the children loved very much interacting with them. Individual follow-up sessions were done by the teachers to know the level of understanding of each and every student, each and every kid of this LKG class. Similarly, the 4th standard teachers had took enormous efforts, right starting from ensuring the attendance of students to the completion of assignments, test papers, revisions, examinations, everything. Clearing the doubts were also done by the teachers at all possible times. Similarly, all the co-curricular activities like music, dance, art and physical education were also conducted online. My sincere gratitude to the principal of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram, Srimati Shobha Rani Madam, for her timely guidance and initiatives during these difficult times. May Pujya Gurudev's blessings shower upon us in the years to come. Thank you.